What is the financial modeling and valuation course at FinTrainer is all about? A lot of us students wonder, is it right for me? Is this a course that I should do? So here I'm going to talk about who is this course for, how will it help you, and what do we cover, as well as the duration and the fees aspect as well. So financial modeling and valuation, we start pretty much from the basics of finance. But that said, if you have some understanding of finance, this will definitely be helpful to take the course, but not a lot. Like, we will start from time value of money, understanding how to discount a cash flow, what's the balance sheet, P&L, cash flow statement, how to create those, how to project those. So that's the kind of basic level of financial modeling we will start with, but then we will definitely slowly go into some advanced valuation techniques. So we will be looking at both equity research side of things, credit research, as well as a little bit of private equity and VC analysis. So when it comes to equity research, we are going to look at various techniques to value a company, such as present value models, DCF, discounted cash flow, dividend discount models. We will also look at relative valuation, PE, price to book, all of that. And we will look at residual income. We will also, one of the key things that we do is we look at companies from various sectors. We will analyze companies from a manufacturing side. Actually, a couple of those. We will handhold you for one of the companies, and we will assign a company for you to do as a project. We will pick one company from the banking sector, one from an asset-light industry like tech. So you know how to analyze companies across various sectors. And then we will cover aspects of credit research. So if you are interested in the fixed income side, how to look at credit risk, how to look at interest rate risk. So this aspect is definitely one of the critical things if you're really looking to work on the fixed income side. Then on the private equity and venture capital, we will look at the LBO model. We will look at how to value startups. We will look at optionalities there. So these things are very useful for anyone. So if whichever field you want to go after your graduation, or if you're already working in that, this will give you that additional skill to enhance your repertoire so that you perform better in your work or to get that job that you want. Obviously, this one is very practical, and if you want to supplement it, you can definitely take on one of the hardcore designations such as CFA or FRM, depending on what you do. The course is offered in two durations. One is a 2-month program, other is a 4-month. It's the same content. In the 2-month program, you'll be attending 10 hours a week for roughly 10 weeks or so, and in the other one you'll be attending 5 hours a week for roughly 20 weeks. So that will be the duration, the condensed and the regular course. And in terms of the pricing, it's 40,000 or 500 USD. Our students find this course extremely helpful. Like, so far, this is definitely one of the courses that we offer that we have amazing feedback. And you can always, if you are taking CFA, the CFA Institute has supplemented it with the financial modeling. But if you want to go further, even for you, that would be an option. Like, take the financial modeling so that you can jump into work right away, right after maybe you finish CFA level 1. All right. So if you have any questions, do contact us. We will, I think, share our website as well as the phone number. All the very best with your career.